Now let's quickly set up a Figma account with a step-by-step procedure. I'll be setting it up on my laptop, so I won't be showing a visual of me, but I'll be voicing over on what I'm clicking and where I'm clicking and what I'm doing. So let's quickly do that. Now let's set up a Figma account. Like I said earlier in the video, you can use your Figma directly from the browser, or you can use it from the app, depending on what works best for you. So, but first you have to create your account from the browser before you can be able to access the app. Once you click the first link on the Figma, it will take you to this page. You can log in your Figma account if you already have an account in Figma, or you can just get started for free. That means signing up to Figma. Continue with Google. I want to continue with my Google. I'm using this email. It's just as simple as that. It doesn't take long. If my internet reception was fast, it would have been very much easier to sign up. Once you create your account, it will take you to this page. You can choose a custom name for your Figma. Let me use TFTK. Let me use TFTK. What kind of work do you do? Educator, software developer, project manager, data analyst, analytics, marketing, UX writing, design, research, student, other. Well, we design, UI, UX design. Continue. Do do any of these describe your work? Select any that apply at an agency, at a company, founder, at a boot camp, at a school, freelancer, other. Depending on what you are looking for, you can select anyone. For me, I'm selecting a freelancer. I'm sure most of us know what freelancer is. You want to invite some collaborators, invite them to your team to design, brainstorm and build together. Well, I think we should skip this for now as a beginner. Have you used Figma product before? If you have used Figma product before, you can select yes many times, yes a few times, no it's my first time. Well, we are just starting our Figma journey. This we are just being introduced to Figma for the first time. So let's go with no, it's my first time. Continue. Which plan would you like? Starter, professional, organization? Well, we are just starting. So I think we should go for a starter because it's free. Professional is cheaper than organization. So let's go for a starter. Select starter and continue. What would you like to do first? Design with Figma. When we say design with Figma, I mean design, prototype, and hand off to developers. After designing, prototype, and then give it to developer to develop what you just designed. Whiteboard in FigJam. Whiteboard, brainstorm and diagram together. Present with Figma style. I think we have the best is for us as the UI UX designers to design with Figma. Then let's go for this. Finish. Once you are done, it will take you to this page. Give it some time to do. This is just like Figma basis, introducing you to Figma. But I think we get to this later. Let's let's go back to home. This is the home page. Let me say the landing page, the Figma landing page. Then you have the places you can click on. You have new design in case if you want to start a new Figma file, you click here. Start a new Figma file. But this will talk about how to use the tools in Figma in our other video, in our next video. You have new feature board, new slide deck, import. You can bring an external Figma file and then work on it. Drafts. We don't have any drafts yet because, like I said earlier, we are just starting Figma. For project, we don't have any project. We don't have any trash yet. We don't have any team project. So in our next video, I will introduce you to Figma software. For this video, we are just creating the account. And then we can open Figma from the app too. So let's select our Figma app. This is our Figma app. Once you select your Figma app, allow it to load. Log in with browser. That's why I said in the starting of this video that before you have a Figma account, you have to first of all create your account in the browser. So even to create the app, to first direct you to your browser and then bring you back to the app. Log in with browser. Now you can open in desktop, open Figma. Now we are in the I'm in the Figma app now again. This is it. It's either you use Figma from the app or you use Figma from the browser. They are just the same thing. It's just the difference is just this is the app and this is the browser.
So even though I didn't really touch a lot of things about the Figma, but this is just how to set up a Figma account from your web browser to your Figma app, and then how to access your Figma. But on our next video, I will touch how what those tools in a Figma file is and their uses. I will specifically show how the Figma tools are used, how the design tools are used to create a design. Because now we are focusing on designing, and it's just a step by step something. You don't need to rush anything. But now let's start with designing. In our next video, I will show you what the tools in Figma are doing. Thanks. See you next time.